Today we are at 1645 Village Center Circle. What level?
Ground level.
Ground?
Yep.
Roasty.
Yeah, there's like a Wagyu roast beef. It's really good. I'm going there because I think I have a nail in my tire, so I got like a
You were
little push.
talking about that a while ago.
Yeah, it's been like a slow leak, and then
Oh, luckily.
so it's been sitting in my garage now, and so it's like it's a little low, so I need to go fill it up.
I had a nail on my tire. It was like this giant thing. I didn't even know I ran over anything, and it was gushing air out, like
no.
like really bad.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, this one's like such a slow leak that like it's like maybe.
Alright, up to 2. Alright, we're gonna go to GL and we're gonna get off there. Look at that. Not seen anything like that before. Well, here we are. Well, but anyways, there it goes. That's it, and bye.